Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and going straight to Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. This is where Android tracks usage. Once there, tap Dashboard to see each app's screen time. Now select the specific app you want to limit. Make sure to check current usage so you set a sensible limit. Tap App Timer and enter the daily duration. You can use hours and minutes. Press Set to apply the timer. This begins enforcement immediately, so you'll see how it behaves within the day. Once the timer exists, you refine how it works. You can type hours and minutes or choose quick presets. Make sure the timer is daily if you want repeat enforcement. If certain notifications or functions must stay active, add the app to Always Allowed, but be careful because that bypasses the timer. To strengthen control, enable Focus Mode or Bedtime Mode alongside the timer. They suspend distracting apps more aggressively. Make adjustments, then monitor behavior for a day to confirm limits act as you expect. You finish by testing the new limit. Open the app until the timer expires and observe the block screen. If it doesn't block, force stop the app and reopen it, then double-check timers in Dashboard. To change or remove limits, return to Dashboard and edit the app timer. Changes take effect immediately. One key troubleshooting tip: if timers aren't enforcing, make sure Digital Wellbeing is up to date, clear its cache, and confirm no battery saver or admin policy is overriding app restrictions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.